Hash browns are simply boiled and shredded potatoes that has been fried. It is one unique but simple potato recipe that can be taken for breakfast, and I'm very sure you're going to enjoy this. Hello viewers, welcome to my recipe channel. My name is Susan and I am the host of Sussy's Cakes recipe. Today we'll be making hash brown. Now I'm going to be using sweet potatoes because that is what is peculiar to us in Nigeria. You can use Irish potato, but let me warn you, it's not going to be as crunchy as like when you use sweet potatoes. So I'm going to first of all wash the potatoes, and I'm going to be peeling this using this scraping tool. Then once I was done peeling, I'm going to grate it. Please check the description box beneath this video for a link to a detailed recipe and accurate measurements. Now what can you use this hash brown as? You can take it for breakfast. If you are a food vendor, a caterer, you can serve it alongside your breakfast breakfast series. This is very delicious and it is very simple to make. Now you notice I peeled the potatoes into clean water, and I'm also going to grate it and place the grated potatoes in clean water. This is to prevent the potatoes from decoloring and also to reduce the carbohydrate level in the potatoes. If you are outside Nigeria, you can use any other type of potatoes that you have there. So this is me grating it. I'm grating it with the larger part of my grater. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of all my simple recipes that I share. Now I finished grating them and I'm going to weigh this to be around 820 grams. That's what I'm going to be working with. 2 large sweet potatoes is what gave me this. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. Once I was through, I placed the potatoes in a boiling water and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Then once I was through with that, I turned the already boiled potato into a cheesecloth to strain out the water. Now this is quite hot and you want to be careful. I want to strain out the water completely. You can use a strainer, but it won't give you a perfect result like when you use a cheesecloth. Now this is ready. I'm going to go into adding my other ingredients into my already skewed potatoes, starting with my onions, a mixture of flour and corn flour, 1 large egg, some salt, and then I'll add some chili pepper. Please check the link beneath this video for a detailed step-by-step recipe. And then once I've added all this, I'm going to stir them up well together. And then I'm going to fold them into a rectangle, shape them into a rectangular shape, just like this, using my spatula. You can use your clean hand, but this is still a little bit warm or hot. That's the reason why I'm using my spatula. Now you can mold them like this onto a baking dish or a tray and cover it with your cling film and freeze for later, till later date. It's perfect. Nothing is going to happen to it. This is one way of preparing breakfast the next day fast without any hassle. Then next, in a pan, I added some oil and I'm going to be frying this. You want to fry it till one side is brown, deep brown or golden brown rather, before turning it or flipping it to the other side to be golden brown. This is how you fry your hash brown. And once both sides are perfectly golden brown, you want to transfer this to a strainer or a kitchen towel to drain out any excess oil, and then you can serve with your favorite beverage. And this is how simple this hash brown is. So tell me, do you like this recipe? Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't. Also, to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Please remember to check the link in this video for a detailed or step-by-step tutorial of everything about hash brown. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.